Got it.
There are.
Sir, you.
No. So first theory is what Newton's norm. Here we have Newton's corpuscular theory, which was proposed by Newton. According to him, light travels in the form of corpuscles. Okay.
4 TT.
Okay, light travels in the form of
4 TT.
Corpuscles. Yeah. Corpuscles means the size of the corpuscle.
Building 102.
The color of the size.
Yes.
Color of the color depends on the color depends on
no, not card, cash.
Size of the card. I'll pay the size of the corpuscle. Okay.
Card certificate.
Color depends on the size of the corpuscle. Okay, so that is what the first theory, that is Newton's corpuscular theory. Uske baad aaya Huygens wave theory. Christian Huygens, he proposed this theory. Okay, Huygens, he supported the particle nature. Okay, keep that in the mind. This man, he proposed particle nature. Then came Huygens wave theory. So according to Huygens wave theory, he says that light travels in the form of waves. Okay, and he gave the concept of wavefront also. After that, we have Maxwell. Maxwell, he proposed electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetic theory. This already we studied in the previous chapter, right? Electromagnetic theory. Remember this one? Electromagnetic theory. Yes. Like before ray optics only we revised. Right now, I'm going to keep a test after the wave optics. Like three chapters. Means one module.
Together.
It's like 17 marks, right? These 3 lessons. Yes. Electromagnetic wave, ray optics and optical instruments, okay, and wave theory. These 3 lessons मिला के कितना है 17 marks, right? Is it 17 or 18?
18, sir.
17. If it is this 17, 18. Okay. Then what I will do is for these 3, I am going to conduct a test day after tomorrow. कल नहीं परसों. I'll fix
Sunday.
Sir,
final is
what time it is?
It is 7 o'clock.
Night evening.
Yeah.
सर मंडे को
तो क्या करना है उससे?
Monday.
तो राइट इन द मॉर्निंग तो उसके लिए तो प्रिपरेशन नहीं है.
मंडे को बायो में जाएगा. आप कल एक दिन और परसों एक दिन तो मंडे को आप ले सकते हैं क्योंकि 3 चैप्टर हैं.
मंडे ओके. इज इट ओके? मंडे उसके वर्ल्ड कप के लिए प्रिपरेशन तो नहीं करना है ना बैठ के? सर करना है सर. क्या करना है?
Planning to do together. Watch together. Suhas.
सर वैसे एक दूसरे की बुराई करते हैं.
नहीं इट्स लाइक 7 o'clock स्टार्टिंग. तो दोपहर में लिख दो, मॉर्निंग लिखो टेस्ट. उसके बाद लिख.
Sir, can you keep it on Monday?
Yeah, tell me, Moksha.
Monday ko, sir.
Monday, okay, then we'll go with Monday then. Okay, done. Yes. So I will prepare. It will not be a 18 marks test. It will be like around 40 marks test. I will prepare a 40 marks test. There will be MCQ. Keep this in the mind. There will be MCQs. There will be assertion reasoning. There will be a case study, and there will be 2 marker, 3 marker, and 5 marker. Whatever. That's for the same pattern, but it will be half of the paper. Prepare well, and write. Okay. Like I am going to conduct module wise, not lesson wise now. Just a first module. First module is chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 is one module. Around 70. That also is around 17 or 15 something. So I will conduct one test on that.
Sir, how many marks test? Like
40 marks. 40. Maybe you can take 2 hours, no problem. हाँ लिख दो. 40 marks test will be there. 40. It will be a 40 mark test. Prepare well, write. Almost all total modules है कितने? 4 or 5 modules है. So we can finish it up by the end of December. I want to finish off this thing. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So I'll also come to know what your people are doing. Okay. Now
that is the problem.
Now the next one is here the concept of wavefront.
Sir, if Argentina wins, you'll write the test.
No. France wins, you'll write the test.
Argentina.
France.
Electromagnetic
waves, ray optics and optical instruments, and wave optics. These 3. Okay. These 3 lessons will be there. Yeah. Now, because this lesson is
notes,
I gave already the notes. All the notes.
Oh yeah. Print out. I was yesterday.
I gave all the notes. Again, if you want, I will forward the notes in the group. All the notes.
Sir, क्या आप फिर से भेज सकते हैं?
I will send. Okay. They will.
मैं late join हुई ना.
Yeah. We will send you the PPTs also. We will send you the.
सर एक अलग ग्रुप बना सबके लिए. ये पेरेंट्स
Yes, timings put in that group, sir.
Why I have to do? I was forced to do that. She made me to do that actually.
She made you?
Her mom made you?
No.
She.
I will tell you later.
Let's go. Abhi niche aa tu.
Okay.
Today pakka holiday in hotel only.
Oh,
Can I take the class after that. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Now, what is wavefront now? Wavefront. I'll send you. Okay, after the class, I will send you. Okay, the notes as well as the PPTs I'll send you. And there are some sample papers also I have downloaded, like chapter by cities, MCQs, accession reasoning, and all. That also, this is prepared by KV Kendra Vidyalaya teachers. So I will send you that also. You can download. You can, if you want, you can take a print or whatever you want. Better, I suggest you take the print, make a file, hard copy. Okay, like a hard
For the
copy.
sample papers.
सब जब भी है ना print out निकाल के you try to solve in the paper. Don't try to use your computer. I'm telling you, as much as possible, reduce screen time. Reduce screen time and try to use more writing.
From past 10 days, my phone screen time increased. It went per day to 4 hours, sir.
Now,
And 2.5 hours on TikTok.
okay, the locus of all the points. So before wavefront, I would like to explain the wave phenomena. Okay, I'll explain the wave phenomena. Wave phenomena. You want to eat something?
No, it's fine, it's fine.
I have only samosa.
I'm good with it, it's fine.
Okay, no. So
But thank you, sir.
it's okay. You can have it.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So wave phenomena. It says that who is writing if Argentina wins?
Aaron. Yeah, Aaron.
इसके father है ना
Your dad is also there in the group.
Let's go.
That is
Vamos.
I don't think it.
तो इसकी मम्मा को ऐड करो
नहीं.
I just forward this message to her.
No need, sir.
Wave phenomena. What is wave phenomena? See here, wave phenomena means. Now stop. Now wave phenomena means what particles are moving up and down, but energy is being propagated. Okay, is that clear? So particles are moving up and down, but energy is being propagated. This phenomena is known as wave phenomena. Is that clear? This phenomena is known as wave phenomena. Please keep your mobiles here.
Yeah, sir.
So this guy is texting.
No, give the message. Keep it here.
No, not it.
वो भी दे, तुम्हारा भी दे।
Your notifications coming.
One license.
Give me that also.
We posted.
Sir,
वो भी दे। कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I'm just keeping it here. Okay. Later on you can take.
That is not.
उधर का है
Sorry. Now, so wave phenomena means here.
तीन iPhone के बीच में एक Android.
वो भी नकली आईफोन है
It's okay.
इसका
I told you, I will talk to you after the class. After the class. We watched the movie. You remember on that day?
Angels and
angels and demons.
सर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
Yeah. It's a good movie. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
First
And
part.
more West Singham returns.
Sorry, Ruti, these.
सर ओनली आशा
Sir, Shivachi, sir, main person, head of the group.
I'll just pause it for a moment. Right? See, wave phenomena means if the particles are oscillating up and down and energy is being propagated in the forward direction, that is said to be wave phenomena. Okay. Now, next is we have what is that? That is locus. That is wavefront. What is wavefront? Wavefront means what? The locus of all the points which are in the same phase. The particles are moving up and down. See here in wavefront phenomena, particles are moving up and down, but energy is being propagated. Particles are not going from one place to another place. Particles are not going from one place to another place. They're only vibrating up and down or side by side, and the energy is being propagated. So next is what wavefront. Wavefront means the locus of all the points. The locus of all the points which are in the same phase.
Which are in the
Which are in the same phase.
phase.
Yeah, which are in the same phase. Which are in the same phase. There are three definitions. Okay, this is very, very important. The locus of, he gave the concept. Christian Huygens, he gave the concept of wavefront. The locus of all the points which are in the same phase. So you know about in phase, out of phase, and constant phase difference, right? You know the difference between in phase, out of phase, and constant phase difference.
At least one thing
You know. Okay. No.
That to be with the iron.
So I'll write one more definition. I'll write one second definition of this one. Lines perpendicular to the rays. Okay. Lines perpendicular to the rays is known as wavefront. Okay. Light rays. Lines perpendicular to the rays is known as wavefront. The third one, I think I'll change it.
No, sir.
Lines perpendicular to the rays is known as wavefront, and
They.
I don't know what.
What is it? One more say third definition, surface of constant phase. Third is surface of constant phase. Okay, so lines perpendicular to the rays is known as wavefront, or surface of constant phase is known as wavefront. Now I'll explain you what is in phase, out of phase, and constant phase difference. Now suppose if there are two waves, suppose when I say in phase, okay, so this is in phase, okay, these two are in phase, clear? In phase. The second one is what? Here, this is the first one. There are two. This is Y1 and Y2. Okay, okay. Y1, Y2. This is Y1. This you studied in grade 11 actually. Hope the online classes and all. Okay, okay. Thank you. So Y1. So which team you want to win?
Argentina.
If it wins, we will see.
Messi.
No,
But I'm supporting of Cristiano.
Okay.
But he went.
Now Y1 and Y2 there are two waves. They are in phase. This is what? Out of phase. Okay. Out of phase means how many degrees? In phase means how many degrees? In phase means 0 degrees. Out of phase means 180 degrees. Okay. Out of phase means 180 degrees. Now, third one, you know, it's like this. So here, what happens? This is a constant phase difference. Is that clear? Constant phase difference. Is it clear? You have, are you understanding? Suppose there are two waves. When I write like this, this is in phase. In phase means the angle between the two waves are 0. Best example to remember this is what? Do you remember anyone? I give an example for this.
Soldiers marching.
Very good. Soldiers marching.
Because sir, आता नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी पढ़ता हूँ.
Okay, that is in phase. You remember, no?
Yeah.
So what is out of phase? Out of 180 degrees. I told you about this also.
बताओ, पढ़ते हो ना?
I give an example to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In phase is soldiers marching. Out of phase is some related to car thing.
I give an example. Like suppose you want to go party with your friends.
Yeah. Suppose you want to go to party with your friends, but the class says no, and one slap will get. That's it. And you said that wrong. Our mood will change.
Yeah, that is out of phase.
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember that Aaron wanted to come with me and his mom giving me a slap.
Okay.
Then he started to.
ये सब.
Yeah.
Sir, can you tell the example?
Yeah. This example is like in phase.
Example is like Aaron was.
Wait. In phase means.
How much are they trying?
Actually, we have a hyperactive child in our class. So don't.
Animal.
कोई बात नहीं सर. मैं अगर वहाँ होती तो मैं भी शायद ऐसी ही बातें करती.
You should come on side actually.
Come on, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway,
Double
where do you live, Moksha?
Sir, I live in Dubai.
Wow.
This
Okay.
much twist too.
Okay. You just don't bother about these people. Okay. So here we have. No. So here it is. In phase means 0 degree. Best examples. Have you seen Republic Day parade anytime? If I don't
हाँ
complete,
sir.
see, I have a task. If you don't complete, I will drag up to 3:30, 4 o'clock. Also. Don't. I'm telling you.
Keep going.
छोड़ूंगा नहीं, because I have to complete at least half of the lesson. Otherwise, tomorrow I cannot complete the remaining.
इसको बाहर निकालो यार.
Sir, please.
Sir, I'm controlling, sir.
So, you know.
Let's go छोड़ दे. Issue those.
Marching sir, हाँ देखा है.
Yeah. So, have you seen the Republic Day parade? In Republic Day parade, what happens? If you see the footsteps, the hands and the legs, the movement, all are in phase, right? They're perfectly in phase. So that is in phase.
Yes sir.
When I see out of phase means, like suppose, a simple example, like you wanted to, like our Ashas wanted to go to a party with his friends, and he told his father, so your father gave a nice slap. Okay, that means his face changed, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah, so that is out of phase, 180
Yeah.
degrees. It generally happens, right? Suddenly mood will go off. That is out of phase. And
Okay sir.
Sir, one
thing.
One thing.
LPS march first.
LKS mark first.
that is out of phase. Okay. Now next is constant phase.
One is sleeping, one is slow.
Okay. Constant phase difference with leading or lagging of a wave. Okay. Leading or lagging. Okay. Leading or lagging of a wave. Okay. So that is said to be a constant phase. Simple example for this, like suppose sometimes we are, teacher is teaching and we understand after some time. Correct? Or sometimes, in the video also, the
ट्यूबलाइट की तरह.
the clip is going ahead and voice will
Glitch.
Sir, one doubt.
Oh,
What if you
okay.
don't understand, sir?
That is
Sir,
out of-
मारो
Okay, so you understood, no? Reading or lagging of paper. Sometimes, no, we are talking and after 2 seconds they will hear the sound. Is it not?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
from bottom
Yeah.
corner.
Okay, please write down this one, then. So we'll go ahead now. So I'll just discuss about the Huygens principle. Okay, so this is what Huygens has given the form definition. Three definitions. Okay, the locus of all the points which are in the same page. Locus, if you want me to explain the locus, have you seen Rangoli in India? Rangoli, like we draw Rangoli, right?
Ashima.
Like,
Yes, sir.
see here, like in Rangoli, what we will do first, we'll put the dots, right? Like this something, and then we join the dots. You remember?
Yeah.
Like we don't know. Okay, like in Rangoli, when we draw the pattern on the,
You know, no.
yeah, we draw the pattern on the floor, right? So first we put the dots and then draw the lines directly. Okay.
Sir, multi-talented.
Okay.
Sure.
That is the way we draw actually. So what happens is locus of all the points. Now, so here we have like these are the points. Okay. So here what happens here? So so this is suppose this is these are all the points. Okay, I just draw once again. Suppose these are the points. Okay.
पहले सर्कल बना लो फिर
Right.
points.
Okay. Now these points we are joining. These points are equidistant from everyone like this. समझे आपने? Like a clock, have you seen
So
a
all
clock?
are the same radius.
So all are having the same radius. So when you join them, it becomes a circle. Okay. Is that clear? So that is why we are taking the locus of all the points. Means all these dots are said to be locus. They are at a fixed distance from a point. Got it?
So the point is called locus of all the points.
The point is that these are the points. This line is said to be locus. The circumference, the circumference of the circle is known as locus. Is that clear?
Okay, so the circumference is the locus of all the points.
Okay, understood now?
And what is that the center point called?
Center, that is a center
Okay.
point. Yeah. Okay. One second. Now, next one.
Sir, actually, sir, yesterday I slept at 3:30 and I woke up at 8 o'clock.
I slept at
ठीक है,
3:30.
अभी तुम्हारे emotions ना थोड़ा control. Let us finish off this.
Yeah.
मैं बोला ना आपको, I will give it. You sit here. No one is here. You sit here. Okay. ठीक है. Sleep also, no problem. No.
Because
I'll inform your parents, sir. He's here. He's sleeping. No problem. No need to worry.
No, sir, no. Please.
No. So Huygens principle.
Let me come and slap him. Sir, you know we did Huygens, no?
Huygens principle है वो लोग वो
Huygens wave theory we did.
wave theory वो तो chapter का नाम है ना Huygens wave theory जो wave optics is nothing but actually given by
Oh, okay.
Huygens has explained this.
Yeah.
Now see first there are 4 points here. Did you send that notes once again? That उसको link कर दीजिए ना ये जो notes है.
Yes, sir, is there.
Why is phone went here? आपका phone किधर है?
Sir, calm है, sir.
हाँ.
That the supplier is going to come here.
Okay.
Madam.
Are you gonna come or?
So ray optics दोनों भेजना है.
हाँ दो ही भेजना.
I called him.
Okay, now here what happens? Listen. Sir. Now, first point is each point on a wavefront becomes a source of secondary disturbance which spreads out in the medium. Example, like suppose this is there are 2 types of wavefront. One is spherical wavefront, 3 actually, but in our syllabus only 2 they are given. Spherical wavefront and the second one is plane wavefront.
What is
Okay.
different?
Spherical wavefront.
This one.
Spherical wavefront and next one is wavefront. Second one is
Locus
plane.
of all the points.
Second one is plane wavefront. Ray optics version. Okay. So next here, so in I'm drawing the spherical wavefront. How it is? See, this is the dot.
सर ये नोट्स और आपके नोट्स अलग हैं क्या?
कौन से?
ये
ये
वाले
मेरे वाले हैं।
तो वो
कौन सा वाला?
जिनसे आप पढ़ा रहे हैं
नहीं, ये वेव है ना, वो ये
तो
वही है,
वो
वही है,
wave
सेम है, सेम है, लेकिन फर्स्ट पेपर नहीं आया उसमें शायद।
ओके
You didn't take the first
फोटो
picture.
करके भेजना।
You just take this picture also.
सर मैं फिर से स्कैन करके भेज
नहीं नहीं, ये तो भेज दीजिए अभी लोग, we are doing it now. No. Later on you can add this picture to that.
भेज
Now see here in this one, भेज जाते हैं. Okay. So here we have like this is the point source. Light is coming in all the directions. Okay. Light is coming in all the directions like this. Is that clear? Now light is coming in all the directions. Now what happened? This is a line perpendicular to the ray is known as a wavefront. Okay. Line perpendicular to the ray is known as a wavefront. So here what happens? This is the wavefront. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Moksha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here.
हाँ sir.
Now suppose what happened is we drew a line perpendicular to the ray. Then what happened? We joined all of them. Then we got a dot here. We are just taking this dot here. I'm just drawing the dot. Are you able to see the dot here?
Somewhat.
This one.
Yes, sir.
There's a dot here like this. These dots are said to be what? Wavelets. Isko see here. This is a ray. This is a ray. This one is a wave front. Okay. Wave front. Isko लिखूंगा मैं. I will write here primary wave front. ये पहला वाला है. Primary wave. Now suppose simple example to make you understand how is a wave front. Suppose I keep a candle here. I get a like wave front. First wave front is like this. Small sphere.